So this is just a quick video on augmenting existing animations. It's going to be on like a really simple animation. However, this can also work on any other animation. So here we have just a cube. It goes from one end of the grid to the other. Nice and simple. Now, what we can do here is we can actually go in and go, say about here, bring it up a tad, drop in a new keyframe, and then the animation will continue. So, however, we can also change it by using the graph editor. So I'll just make this bigger. We select the cube, we'll go back to the bottom. Again, we go to this line. So here we have the translate white. So this will be how it's affected going up or down. So we can go ahead and select this and we can decide to move it around. So we move it over here. We'll see a much slower ascend. And then as it comes over to this part at the very end, it quickly falls. Now, what we could do instead is if we bring it more like this, there'll be a much slower rise and fall. Now, you can also go into the Z, and we can change stuff here as well. And if we want to add more points, we can just go here. You can tap S, and you can go ahead and move it with the. You can move it with the middle mouse button. You can kind of play around with it and get different speeds, or you could even smooth it out a bit. Example, you can smooth it out using that tool. But you'll notice it kind of speeds up, slows down. So we can, if we wanted to try and stop it from speeding up so much, we could get rid of this key and it'll continue doing it. But what we can do also so we can also change how far it goes. Like this. And this works on any animation in Maya. So you can, no matter how complex it is, you can use the graph editor to actually change and the animation, maybe smooth it out if you need to. However, then you can also go into problems of the graph being a lot more complex. For example, if you look at this is all of the lines overlaid. We can come over here, we can pull them apart a bit and kind of get a look at them. And each one's there. But the more animation, the more complex your animation, the more complex your graph editor will be. So that's a basic overview of how to augment an animation using the graph editor and also keying.